Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through Galena in St. Mary and we are going to give you an update on some mega developments taking place with the schools in St. Mary. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this. But basically they're building new schools, and in some cases they are expanding the schools that are there. So we are going to go through an article that gives more information on this. St. Mary Western Member of Parliament Robert Montague announced plans for significant investments in school construction and renovations across his constituency set to commence in 2025. Montague, speaking during the State of the Constituency debate, highlighted several major projects aimed at enhancing educational facilities. Among the most notable developments is the construction of a new primary school in Jeffreytown, a long-awaited replacement for the previous building, which was destroyed by fire in 1996. Approximately 30 million is currently allocated for pre-investment activities for this new Jeffreytown primary school, which will serve around 100 students currently learning in temporary settings. Montague also outlined major upgrades for Aracabessa High School, where plans include 8 new classrooms, science and agriculture labs, a multipurpose court, an auditorium, a staff room, and a solar power system. An estimated 49 million is allocated for designs and approvals on this project. Aracabessa Primary School will see the addition of a new 20 classroom block with a library, computer lab, ramps, and solar system, with 60 million earmarked for preparatory works. Iona High School is also slated for expansion, which will include 4 new classrooms, labs, an auditorium, and a solar system, with a budget of 45 million for preliminary studies. Taki High School will expand onto an adjacent lot pending land acquisition, with planned new classrooms, labs, and sports facilities, including a gym and improved playing field from the Sports Development Foundation. Mr. Montague noted that all these projects have undergone approval through Jamaica's public investment system and are expected to be reflected in the next budget for the 2025 fiscal year. He emphasized that these developments would bring long-term educational benefits to the region, with facilities designed to meet modern standards and the unique needs of each school. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.